Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another Saturday Morning Makes here on Saturday, hosted by Joe Mellerwood. Um, I'll link her channel down below. I haven't done it my previous video, but I will try to remember this time around. I was late on my crafty dare, so this morning I quickly came into my craft room and figured out what I was going to do for my crafty dare first thing in the morning. So we were to use a vintage theme, which is my favorite, the color red, and a game piece. Okay, so if you follow me on Instagram, you already saw this. Um, this is a index card. Well, I cut it down to 4x6, I think. Yes, 4x6. Was it 4x6? Yes, 4x6 index card, and you can make it any size you want. I mean, you could make anything. And I collaged some papers in the background that had the color red in it. These are the domino pieces that I bought at Dollar Tree a while back. I left them the way they were. I was thinking about doing something with them, but because of this dare, I left them the way they were. I added create your own magic. Here's a little wood veneer I had in my stash, and then this is my love. So quick and easy, and this is 110 cardstock, so it's pretty sturdy. It's like chipboard. And then here is a Tim Holtz doll of a man and a woman. I love his dolls. So that's my vintage theme, and the color red is in the dominoes and also in the paper. So yeah, so that was my Saturday morning make this morning. Then I came back in my craft room to make my husband a Valentine's Day card. I used more of this paper I had in, I cut up, I think it was a 12 by 12 sheet of paper, and I cut them down. This is a graphic 45 scrap piece of paper. This is a die. I don't know. I think it's an alley purchase. So I cut it out of red paper, and then the inside of the paper was this die. It's a primitive heart stitch. I don't know what the name of them are, but this I had in my stash of words and bits and bobs of stuff. I think this is like printable things. So I used let me get my used cherish and heart and love. This is an Eiffel Tower sticker that I got. I'm trying to find it. It's a sticker from the Dollar Tree, right here. And my husband and I, on our honeymoon, we went to Paris, and I love how this looks because it does look vintage to me, and he loves vintage, so I added some red cardstock to kind of separate the two. So I really love how the cover turned out. It's really pretty on black 110 cardstock. And then inside, I inked the edges, and I stamped a little deco stamp, and then I added the, what do you call it? faux wax seal die from Waffle Flower, and it's this set here, and I've been cutting a few out of different colors, and I had them here and I was like, well, this doesn't match my theme here. So I cut it out of red cardstock, and then I cut this heart die that comes with the set, and I added it to the center, and I think it just came out so perfect. I love it. This has so many possibilities. You can cut it from pattern paper, any color cardstock you want, without the bulk. That's what I love about this die. And then I'm going to put my sentiment in here, and that is my Saturday morning makes for this week. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.